Hey joyful buddies, today I'll draw Dad flying and jumping while carrying Bluey in his strong arms. As we wait for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a fun and exciting story about how Bluey's dad became a flying hero for one magical day. Before we start, give the video a big like so Dad can flap his wings even higher. Let's begin the story now. The morning was bright. The sky looked white and blue. Bluey was playing outside, while Bingo was chasing a shoe. Dad walked out smiling. "Who's ready for an adventure?" he said. Bluey wagged her tail fast. "Me, Dad!" "Me!" she excitedly said. "Can you raise your hands high like Bluey now? Let's stretch and get ready for takeoff." "Wow!" Dad knelt down with a silly grin. "Up on my back," he said with a spin. Bluey giggled loudly. "Are we going flying, Daddy?" she asked proudly. "Of course," said Dad with a mighty roar. "Hold on tight, we'll soar and explore." He leapt into the air, arms open wide. Whoosh went the wind as they began their ride. Bluey laughed so hard. "Dad, you're really flying," she cheered. Bingo clapped from below, her little voice full of joy and awe appeared. "Can you pretend to fly with Bluey and Dad? Stretch your arms out wide, flap, flap, not bad." Dad jumped again, higher than before. He pretended to fly over mountains, and then swooped down low near the floor. "Watch out, Bluey!" Dad cried playfully. "There's a dragon ahead. It's chasing me." Bluey pointed bravely. "I'll use my magic wand. Zap, flee!" They laughed and twirled in the shining air, Dad's strong arms lifting without care. Mom walked out with a smile. "Flying again, huh?" she said with style. Dad winked proudly. "Just another hero's day," Bluey shouted. "Yay! Hip hip hooray!" Then Bingo called, "Me next, me next." Dad chuckled. "All right, one flight at best. Can you jump high like Dad? Count to 3. 1, 2, 3, hop, not bad." Dad carried Bingo next. Bluey cheered from the side. Bingo giggled so loud, she almost thought she could glide. Then Dad picked up both of them tight. "One last flight before tonight." He ran fast, then jumped again. The girls screamed with laughter in the wind and rain. They landed softly on the grass. All three burst into laughs that would last. Mom clapped her paws. "Well done, team!" Bluey beamed brightly, her eyes full of gleam. "Dad, you're the best flyer ever," she said. Dad bowed jokingly. "All thanks to my strong legs." Bingo hugged him tight. "We love you, Dad." He smiled wide. "And I love both my girls. Super glad." Can you give a big cheer for Dad? Say, "Go, Dad, go," as loud as you can. As the sun began to fall, the sky turned golden and tall. Bluey whispered softly, "Today was the best day of all." Dad smiled. "Every day with you is the best, too." And together, they watched the stars peek through. The night was calm, the air was mild, and Bluey drifted off, dreaming with a smile.